Now, I always like to provide useful information on my YouTube channel, and one of the big complaints I have when people are using the online version of Excel is it keeps bringing up the American formats. So for instance, the figures are in dollars and the dates have the month first followed by the day. So I'm going to show you how to change it. It's actually really easy. Go to the File menu. You need to choose Options, so the three dots and then Options. And it should say there change regional format settings, so that is at the top. We'll just put a little red bar around there so you can see that. And from the regional format settings, just change it to English United Kingdom. Choose change. When you next open the document, it will be in the correct file format and much easier for you to work with. It works in Teams as well. Give it a go and it will make working with your files so much easier.